Welcome to the Animal Asana series, where each video will look in detail at the asana, the posture, the pose of the animal that you are imitating. And today we meet with Bhekasana, the frog. This is a pose for stimulating energy. It removes stiffness of joints and gives physical and mental stress relief. It calms the body, opens the hip joints, strengthens back muscles and knee joints. It increases blood circulation and stimulates the abdominal organs. Ensure your body is nice and warm before practicing. This is a rejuvenating posture, so enjoy. So let's now practice Bhekasana, the frog. Take yourself to lie on your front, face down. Take the time to have a stretch and extend through the legs, from the hips all the way down to the feet. Bring your hands and arms to rest beside your body. Tune in to your flow of breath. Lengthen and deepen your inhalations and exhalations. Long, deep breathing allows the mind to calm itself. Take a nice deep breath in and lift the feet, and as you exhale, bring the heels of the feet towards the buttocks. Bring the hands to rest on top of the feet. Allow the knees to widen slightly. Keep the breath flowing. Ensure that you relax in your shoulders, you unclench your teeth, and you soften around the neck and throat muscles. So another breath in, allow the chest to rise up. Take the creases out of the back of the neck and have the gaze looking down toward the mat in front of you. Nice and slowly, you will begin to bring the feet down toward the sides of the body in line with the hips. You can use the heels of your hands onto the metatarsals, the bones of your toes, to help bring the feet down. Take the shoulders back and away from the ears. Observe the flow of breath. Draw the coccyx downwards. This will help also in the upper body and to strengthen the arms by gently placing pressure onto the toes to bring the feet down toward the mat. See if you can hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds, allowing the breath to flow. And then nice and easily, with control, slowly release the legs and allow them to stretch back along the mat. Bring the hands in front, cross the hands and rest the cheek. Take a nice deep breath in and out. And when you are ready, bring yourself to return to your cross-legged position. So with the hands resting gently on the knees, breathe in and rise up through the trunk of the body and take this time for reflection. You might like to close the eyes and have an inward view to reflect upon the flexibility in your joints and how important it is to have this so that blood circulation and free-flowing energy can take place. This helps to keep the body healthy, for if joints are unable to straighten or bend, then there are obstructions there, and your rich oxygenated blood will be unable to reach all parts of the body. Bhekasana will help you toward gaining greater joint flexibility. Bhekasana, the frog.